Find the greatest number. There is a number that is given to you. The number is 23A68B. 23A68B. This is the number that is given to you. Find the greatest number. Greatest number means we require the largest number. We require the largest number. So question is asking A and B should be maximum. A and B should be maximum. Then only, right, the value will become maximum. 23A68B. Find the greatest number, right? What is the condition that this number has to fulfill? The number should be divisible by 3. The number should be divisible by 3. So let me discuss the concept first. The number should be divisible by 3. Number should be divisible by 3. Divisibility rule. How this divisibility rule for 3 is generated? How this divisibility rule for 3 it is generated? Let me take a simple number. Let me take a simple number. I am taking a random 3-digit number. Random 3-digit number which is XYZ in base system 10. XYZ is a random 3-digit number. I took it. Z is the units place, Y is the tens place, X is the hundreds place. So X is there in the hundreds place, so the value will become 100X. Y is there in tens place, so the value will become 10Y plus Z. XYZ, I took any 3-digit number. Once I understand the 3-digit number, then I will get into the concept of 4-digit, 5-digit. This I can write it as 100X can be written as 99X, 10Y can be written as 9Y plus X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z. We are finding out what will be the divisibility rule of 3. Even a non-max student also will also understand this concept very, very clearly, sir. Not a single doubt, you will get it in the class. So, any 3-digit number, 100X plus 10Y plus Z. Sir, why you took 100? Z is in units place, Y is in tens place, X is in hundreds place. X is there in 100th place, so the value of X will become 100X. Y is there in tens place, so the value of Y will be 10Y. Z is there in units place. Now listen carefully, sir. If I take the left hand side as divisible by 3, if I take the left hand side as divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, X plus Y plus Z. If I consider it as one term, this should be divisible by 3. This should be divisible by 3. This should be divisible by 3. That means divisibility rule for 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Why sum of the digits is divisible by 3? Because if left hand side is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, this should be divisible by 3. Similarly, let me check what will happen if it is divisible by 9. 99 is divisible by 9. 9Y is divisible by 9. That means X plus Y plus Z. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. So what will be the divisibility rule for 9? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. I hope the divisibility rule of 3 and 9 is very much clear to you. Divisibility rule for 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Divisibility rule for 9 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Please read the question. Divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. The number should not be divisible by 9. Number should not be divisible by 9. When I say number should not be divisible by 9, that means answer should not be divisible by 9. answer should not be divisible by 9. When a number is not divisible by 9, that means digital sum should not be 9. Answer option, digital sum should not be 9. Sir, why digital sum should not be 9? Because it is clearly mentioned that it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. So just by understanding this line, answer should not be divisible by 9. Answer should not be divisible by 9. That means eliminate the answer option where the sum of the digits is not divisible by 9. Right? 7 you can delete like this. See here. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 over 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. Delete the digits whose sum is not 9. This cannot be answer because answer should not be divisible by 9. Answer should not be divisible by 9. Here I see 9 getting cancelled. Here 6 plus 3, 9. 8 plus 8 plus 2, it is also 18. That means the first option and third option both are divisible by 9. Answer is it should not be divisible by 9. It should not be divisible by 9. Here if you observe 7 plus 2, 9, 6 plus 3, 9. 8 plus 3, 15. 15 it is divisible by 3. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 over 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, right? That means B option is divisible by 3. D option is also divisible by 3. B is divisible by 3. D is divisible by 3. But the question is, find the greatest number. It is 2,39,000. It is 2,37,000. Out of this, greatest is 2,39,685. Greatest is 2,39,685. I hope the idea it is clear. So the root cause of this problem is answer digital sum should not be 9. Step number 1, eliminate the answer option where the digital sum it is not 9. I eliminated it. Second step, check the answer option where the sum of the digits it is 3. Where the sum of the digits it is 3. Out of the given answer option, take the maximum value. Take the maximum value. Now, please see some important key points. Important observations. Only for solving the question you should not listen to my class, sir. Something beyond the problem I will explain. That is something which will be helpful for you. Important observation. Important observation. Suppose if I am taking x, y, z in base system 4. Here it is in base system 10. So it will be 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. Here x, y, z base system 4. Here it is 4 power 0, here 4 power 1, here 4 power 2. So 16 into x, this will be 16x. 4 into y, this will be 4y. 1 into z, it will be z. Right? If it is in decimal system 10, 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. If it is base system 4, 4 power 0, 4 power 1, 4 power 2. If I separate it, listen very carefully, sir. 15x plus 3y. If I separate it, x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. Now listen carefully, sir. In a base system 10, divisibility rule of 9 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. In a base system 10, divisibility rule or the digital sum is sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. In a base system 4, if this is divisible by 3, this is already divisible by 3, this is already divisible by 3. X plus y plus z should be divisible by 3. X plus y plus z should be divisible by 3. Listen carefully in these points. In a base system 10, digital sum is divide by 9. Very, very important concept, sir. How to use a digital sum in any base system. In a base system 10, digital sum is divided by 9. In a base system 10, digital sum is divided by 9. In a base system 4, digital sum is divided by 3. In a base system 7, digital sum is divide by 6. In a base system k, digital sum is divide by k minus 1. Divide by k minus 1. Divide by k minus 1. That means you can use a digital sum not only in decimal system, in octal system you can use, hexadecimal system you can use, base system 7 we can use. I hope this idea it is clear. So from now onwards, can a digital sum be used in any other base system? Yes, it can be used. In a base system 10, sum of the digits is divisible by 9. In a base system 4, sum of the digits is divisible by 3. In a base system 7, sum of the digits is divisible by 6. In a base system k, sum of the digits is divisible by k minus 1. Sum of the digits is divisible by k minus 1. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you.